Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to see about all SAP standard reports, how to execute in a single ticket here. Okay, so SAP has given the provision to execute or to see each and every reports. Okay, module wise. Okay, so we are going to see how to check all the lists of the T codes. Okay, so in a single tap. Okay, initially what we are going to do, we are executing the reports single by single, correct? But here, if you want to see overall list of the reports into the SAP, okay, so there are for that SAP has given the some provision, some T code for that. Okay, so in a T code called as a SAP1, so we can see overall list of the reports which is included into the SAP. Okay, so module wise we can see the report. So today we are going to see the reports regarding to the SAP materials management here. Okay, so the T code for that SAP has designed the SAP1 is a T code to check the overall list of the reports here. Okay, once you can enter the SAP1 T code into the command field, so the screen of reports selection will be open up here. Okay, so its name as SAP Easy Access report selection. Okay, so here module wise you can see each and every reports here. Okay, so we are dealing with the materials management here. Okay, so if once you can click on the materials management, so here all the operations regarding the materials management will be come into the picture. Okay, like inventory management, purchasing, invoice verification, service entry sheet, consumption list planning, physical inventory, and service master. Okay, so first of all we are going to see about the reports of the inventory management. Okay, so whatever the reports regarding the inventory management. Okay, so like a material document list of the warehouse. Okay, display the plant stock availability, consignment stock. Okay, so these all are the reports related to the inventory management. Okay, so only system is showing you the list reports into the single ticket called as a SAP1. Okay, so here we are going to see the report of the material document list here. Okay, so the T code for that is a MB51. Okay, so just be able to click on that MB51. Okay, so here is a material document list. Okay, so we are going to see for the plant TP10 here. Okay, and for the moment type, we are going to see how many GRs will be done in a last 6 months here. Okay, so for that, what we required here, we are going to require to enter the plant TP10, which is the selection criteria here. Okay, for the reporting, whatever the criteria you are going to set. So according to that, so all the reports are going to be executed in a here. Okay, so here I'm just post from which date to which date I want to see the report of the GR, how many GRs will be done into the this system here. Okay, so I can just keep the date from the 25 of the January to the 25 of the September here. Okay, so from this date I want to see how many GRs will be done. Okay, so from that posting date I'm going to executing the report. Okay, so 101 moment type is only for the goods receipt here. Okay, so just enter that selection criteria and click on the execute. Once you can execute, the system is showing you the overall report. Okay, so I just want to filter this. Okay, from the sorting, I'm just going to sort into a descending order. So you're able to see. So from 22, the last GR will be done into the system. Okay, system is showing for you which material, then it is the material document here. Okay, so in this report, if you want to add anything more than that, so here is an option available. Okay, so if you go for the current display variant, okay, so here if you want to add, so right now I want to add the material description into my report. Okay, so just click on that material description and click onto the add option here. Once you can add here, click on the add up. Okay, so right now whatever the material description, it will be come into the picture. I just want to drag beside the material, so I'm just going to the drag. This is the material number, this is the description of the material. Okay, so right now for the plant TP10, this is the storage location. So whatever the GR 101 moment type, so these are all the material document number here. Okay, so on this material document number, this GR will be posted. Okay, so how many quantity? 10 quantity. Or this is the unit of measure. This is the unit of measure. Okay, so date wise it's going to be sorted. Okay, 22, 21, like this. These all the reports are going to be executed. Okay, so last one, 6 months, whatever the report we have seen. So these all are the posted GR will be come into the picture. Okay, so this is how we can execute the reports into the single T code SAP one. Okay, so this is the report right now. If I want to extract this data into the Excel sheet, okay, so that also possible. Okay, so right click on this. So here is an option available called as a spreadsheet here. Okay, just click on that. Okay, so system is asking for the selection for all available formats here. Okay, so select here as a Excel. Click on the checkbox. The system is going to save this data. Okay, so I'm just going to save on to desktop. So what I can put as a GR report of TP10 plant. Okay, so this is my plant, so I can just enter as a TP10 GR report of a TP10. Okay, so I'm just going to save this data on the desktop here. Okay, so once click on that, click on the allow. So system is going to save the these all data into the Excel format. Okay, so that Excel sheet you can share with your reporting manager or whatever you want. You can just save this data into the Excel format and you can share with your reporting manager or whatever you want to share the data. Okay, so in this way, okay, so after that, executing the report into the Excel sheet, you can change, filter it, sort it, whatever you want. You can modify this report as per your requirement. Okay, sort it, filter it, depends on your requirement. So in this way, you can easily extract the reports of the last 1 year, 2 year, 5 years, whatever you want. Okay, as per your reporting. So that is the most important part of the SAP reports you require. Okay, so in that way, you can just manage the reports. Okay, so this is the one report what right now we have seen, that is for the material document. Okay, so the next report that we want to see here. So if I want to see the overall stock available into plant and what's your valuation and how many quantity we have that material. Okay, so how we are going to check? So that report is always comes under the inventory management again. Okay, after the inventory management, we want to go for the inventory information system here. Okay, so under that we have the option called as a material. Okay, so the T code for that is a MC.9. Okay, so this is the most important report which is going to be used by the most of the organizations. Okay, MC.9 is a T code for that. Just click on that MC.9. Okay, so it is a material analysis, stock analysis report here. Okay, so this is my plan for which I want to execute the material analysis report here. Okay, for which month? From just I can keep as a for this month I want to execute the report. So how many stock available? Okay, so you can, as per your selection criteria or selection parameters, you can fetch the report. Okay, so you can change as a material type, ROH, and, what we can say packaging. It depends on your requirement. I just want to execute overall report for TPDM plant. Okay, so just enter the plant, enter the month. Okay, for this month, I want to check whatever the material analysis. Click on the execute. Once you click on the execute, system showing you. So this is your material. Okay. So this much of inventory I'm going to handle right now. 7,75,733 here. Okay. And this is the my valuated stock. 24,922. Okay. And if you want to see the consignment stock also, so here, whatever the consignment stocks, system is going to show you here. Okay. So if I'm going to check, so this is the valuation of my material here. Okay, 7,500 rupees. And what is the quantity of that material? Is a 500 quantity. I have this of material here. Okay, so this is about the MC.9 report. Okay, same way, if you want to execute this report into the spreadsheet or Excel sheet, you can do it here. Okay, so just right click on it. So here is an option called as a okay. Not here. We can go for the material analysis. Click on the export, transfer to the Excel. Select it. Okay. Click on the table, Microsoft Excel. Okay. In this way, you can execute the report for the overall stock and your material available into your plant. Okay. So this is the material. This is the description. This is the plant and storage location. Okay. Material type. Okay. Then here, your valuated valuation of that material. And here, it's a quantity of your stock. Okay, this is the one kind of a report regarding the, you can save this file on your desktop, same. Okay, so depends on business to business, you're going to use the report. Okay, so this is the MC.9 report right now what we have executed. Okay, so in this same way, if you want to execute the multiple reports, okay, so this is right now we have seen about the inventory management. Okay, so then you can, if you want to execute the reports regarding the purchasing. Okay, so here lots of the reports are available for the purchasing side. If you can go for the general, so all the general reports regarding the purchasing come into the picture. If you want to go for the purchase requisition, okay, so all the list display of the purchase requisition, release reminder, purchase requisition. Okay, so these all are the list reports, okay, regarding the purchase requisition, purchase order. So these specific SCP-1T code is only showing you the whatever the each and every reports, list reports regarding the each and every operations into the SAP. Okay, overall SAP. Okay, but here we are going to see about the materials management specific module. Okay, so these all are the reports which we are going to see in a single T code called as a SAP one here. Okay, so all are these operations of the materials management. Okay, so if whatever you want to execute the report, you can go select it, enter the selection parameters or selection criteria, go, and you can execute the report. If you want to see the module wise report here, so here you can go for the multiple modules here. Okay, like a sales and distribution here, you go for the materials management, then you can go for the quality management, then you can go for the production planning here. Okay, so it depends where which modules your belongs. If you want to go for the reports, then in that way you can execute the list report for each and every individual module. Okay, so that's it. Please like, share, and subscribe my YouTube channel for the more updates. Thank you. Have a good day.